unlock any Microsoft Office 2007 while saving.
Press Ctrl+S. Click on Tools, then select General option. Here is to password setting. First is to open, and second is to modify. Now in first type password to open. Then type password to modify. Then confirm your password to open. Then confirm your password to modify. And then save it. Okay, now close this. And open again to check whether it's working or not. Now type password to open. Okay, now if you click in Read Only option, then you cannot able to save you modified files. Let's check it. Okay, delete some word. Then try to save it. Click on Save option, and then you see that it will not save. Click on OK, and reopen it. And type password again to open and modify. Then do some changes in your file and press Ctrl+S. Then you see that it will save.
Thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe our channel to learn something related about PC.